and all those who follow his path till the day of judgment. Barakallah fiqh. My mom is 85 and wants to know, when doing nawafil sitting done, can she sit throughout from beginning to end, or must she stand for takbirat al-ihram and the fatiha, then sit and to finish? No, alhamdulillah, this is if it is difficult for her to stand up and sit and stand up and sit, then alhamdulillah she can pray all her prayer, even fard prayers, not only nawafil, even her fard prayers she can sit and pray, inshallah. There's no, because la yukallifullahu nafsan illa wus'aha. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said that I will never burden anybody which more than the person can bear it. That means if a person cannot do it, then it's not a requirement. Then that particular term and condition is taken off. Alhamdulillah. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.